going to begin with a new topic, that is parts of a plant. Yes, today I am going to teach you about a new topic about the parts of a plant. Now can you see, children? Yes, can you see? Okay, I'll get it closer. Okay, we are going to learn about the parts of a plant. Now what do you see? What do you see, children? You can see leaves, very good. You can see the flowers, yes. And what is this, children? Can you identify what is this? Yes, very good. These are the roots of a plant. Yes, these are the roots of a plant. These are the roots of a plant. These are the leaves, and you know what is this, children? This is a stem. Okay, this is a stem. If I remove some of the leaves, you can clearly see that this is a stem and leaves are attached. They are growing from the stem. Yes, children. So what are the parts of a plant, children? First thing is roots will be beneath the soil. Yes or no? Roots will be in the soil. So roots, stem, leaves and flower. This is a flower. Then later on, as the plant grows, flower will become a fruit. Yes, children? So, yes, I'll bring it closer. These are the roots. Yes, under the soil, roots of a plant. This is the stem. Can you see? Can you see the stem? Yes, this is the stem. And these are the leaves, green color. Yes, leaves are in green color. Very good. And you can see the colorful flower here. And this is the flower. And finally, this flower will become a fruit. Okay, now I am going to show you some of the pictures. Just identify it and name it. Okay, children, you identify it and name it. Now let us see, children. Okay, I am going to show you some of the pictures. Now look here. Yes. What is this, children? What do you see? What is this? Yes? It's a leaf. Yes? It's a leaf. What is this? It's a leaf of a plant. It is the part of a plant. It is the leaf of a plant. Very good. Now, what is this, children? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is the flower. It is the flower. It is a flower. Part of a plant. Very good. Now I am going to show you what is this. It's a fruit of a plant. It's a mango fruit. Yes, it's a mango fruit and it is one of the part of a plant. Very good. Now next one also I am going to show you, children. What is this? Next one I am going to show you. Yes, what is this? It's a root. Very good. Root of a plant. These are the roots of a plant. These are the roots of a plant. Yes, very good. Now, what is this? What is this? You can see here. Yes, what is this, children? What is this? You can see here. What is this? It is the stem. It is the stem of a plant from where leaves grow. Yes? from which leaves grow. Now let us see, children. I'm going to show you some of the plants, children. Yes, this is the brinjal plant. This is, identify which plant is this. Very good, tomato plant. Very good. And identify this closely. It's a lady. Yes, lady's finger plant. This is the garden. Okay, now let us all see. You can see the stem here. Can you see the stem of the plant? Very good. Can you see the roots? Can you see the roots? Plants have roots, children. Roots are the parts of the plant. Yes, but you cannot see above the soil. Roots will be below the soil. Okay, roots will be below the soil, and these roots, okay, these are the roots, will be, yes, below the soil. It will be fixing the plant straight. Okay, it will be fixing the plant straight and hold the plant tightly and straight. You can see only stem, leaves, and these are the brinjal fruits. Okay. Yes, very good. Now I am going to show you a big tree, children. Yes, you can see the big tree here. Can you see the big tree? Very good. Now what are these, children? Very strong and very long. What are these? These are called the branches. These are called the branches of a tree. And what is this, children? See, you can see here. What is this? The brown color part. What is this? This is called the trunk of a tree. Okay. This is called the trunk. Okay. Now, so these are the branches of a tree. And can you see the fruits here? This is the mango tree. So, roots will be beneath the soil. This is the branches. Yes, and these are the fruits, and the tree is full of leaves. The trees are full of leaves, children. Yes, children. Now you understood the parts of a plant. So again I am going to repeat the parts of a plant, children. The parts of a plant are roots. Okay. Then we will go for stem. This is the stem. Then flowers. Flowers. Okay. Yes. Then leaves. Flowers. Okay. And the next one is the fruit. The next one is the fruit. Okay, you will find even the branches also. Now, so these are the parts of a plant. Now, everybody, I hope you understood the parts of a plant, children. Yes? Now, we are going to write the parts of a plant keywords. Open your classwork books. Write today's date. Okay? Shall we start? Okay, fine. Start, children. So, first one, sharp your pencils, write neatly and write down C-O-N-C-E-P-T. Concept. What is the concept? Parts of a plant. Everybody write down in the next slide. P-A-R-T-S. Parts. O-F of a plant. Okay. P-L-A-N-T. Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Okay, children? Yes? Now, next one. Next page, we will write the keywords. Write the heading K-E-Y-W-O-R-D-S. Keywords. So you have to read, write, write keywords 2 times. The first one is plant. Okay? P-L-A-N-T. Touch the lines and write neatly, children. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Next one is P-A-R-T. Yes, parts. P-A-R-T. Yes, parts. The next one, we will write the spelling of roots. R-O-O-T. Yes, roots. R-O-O-T. Yes, roots. Next one is S-T-E-M. Stem. Write it neatly, children. S-T-E-M. Stem. Next, you will write B-U-D. Bud. B-U-D. Bud. Now, sixth one is branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. Okay. Next one, seventh one is leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. So, here children, you can see the leaves. You want to know about bud. Bud and తెలుసా? Yes, bud means yes, a small మొగ్గ అంటారు చూడు. Yes మా in తెలుగులో మొగ్గ అంటే means small, yes, tiny one between the leaves, and this bud will grow into a big flower like this. మొగ్గ అంటాం. Okay, this tiny bird, what you are looking here, this is a bird, and this bird will grow into a big flowers with the beautiful petals. Okay, okay, this bud will grow into a beautiful flower like this. Okay, with the big petals. Okay, that is called a bud. Now, let us see the next one, children. Eighth one. Okay, eighth one. Yes, eighth one is flower. Next one is flower. If you have place, you continue, children. Yes, I don't have place, I will write here. Okay, I don't have place, that's why I will write here. Okay, the eighth one is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Next one, fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Okay, F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. So, these are the parts of a plant. These are the parts of a plant, and you have to write 2 times, children. Draw a line and write down 2 times. Draw a line and write down 2 times. Okay, children? Draw a line and write down 2 times. I will give you 1 minute, children. Do it fast. Okay? Just write down quickly. Yes? Okay. Fine, children? Yes. Now write down the homework. Okay? Now what you will do, children? You will write down the homework. What is the homework is? Yes. Draw H.W. What do you have to do, children? draw or paste the picture of a plant. Paste the picture of a plant and label the parts. Okay, children? This is the homework. You have to do it. Okay, is it clear? You can draw or paste the picture of a plant and label the parts. Okay? Color the picture. Okay, children? Is it clear? Yes? You write the keywords 2 times and draw or paste the picture of a plant and label the parts of a plant. Okay, children? Is it clear? Okay, in the next class, I am going to give you missing letters and we will do the activity also. Yes? Okay, children, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.